Come with me as we explore one of Delhi's hidden gems. This peaceful spot is just minutes from the village, and it's full of history. It was once home to one of Delhi's original reservoirs. Now it's the perfect place for a picnic, to relax, or just enjoy the beauty of Steele Brook. And if you follow the trail, you'll discover this gorgeous waterfall. Exploring the Catskills is one of my favorite parts of being a real estate broker here. Follow along for more hidden gems and a peek at life in the Catskills.